This is a 15.1 guided practice. Going to be doing the odds, and we're talking about ratios and fractions. So I'm going to be doing the odds, so let's not worry about this one or this one. So first one says write each ratio as a fraction in its simplest form, so don't get points taken off. Make sure it's in the simplest form. 7th grade boys, so 7th grade boys to 6th grade boys. So that would be 26 over 30. So then I got to think, oh, can I simplify this? One easy way that I do is, are they even? If they're even, I know I can at least divide it by 2, right? So 26 divided by 2 is 13, and then 30 divided by 2 is 15. So can I reduce it any more? Nope, no other numbers go in there, so that's 13 over 15. Then we have 7th graders to 6th graders. So in the 7th grade, we have 26 boys and 34 girls. So that would be a total of 60. And then we put that over 30 plus 32. I'm sorry, 30 plus 22 is just 52. So again, this is an even number. So let's just try dividing it by 2 first. So I'm going to get 30, and then I'm going to do 52 divided by 2 is equal to 26. So those are still even numbers, so we still got some work to do. Let's try dividing both of those by 2 again. I get 15 over 13. And that's my final answer. So the first one was 13 to 15. Now this one's 15 to 13. Girls to all students. So, in the girls to all students one, I would have to look at, first off, how many students are there. So, like we said, there is 60 in 7th grade, and then there was 52 in 6th grade. Then I got to figure out how many girls there are. So there's going to be 34 plus 22. So 34 plus 22 is equal to 56. And then I'm going to add 60 and 52 for all of the students. So 52, so it'll be 112, I believe. Yep, 112. So now again, both of these are even numbers. You can just simply divide by 2. If you know a bigger number that's going to fit into both of those numbers, you can divide it by that. So just to show you guys, let's do 56 divided by 2 is 28. Then 112 divided by 2 is 56. And let's just keep going. 28 divided by 2 is going to be 14. 56 divided by 2, oh, I did 256. 56 divided by 2 is going to be 28. I'm kind of noticing a pattern. Look, will a 7 go into both of these? Yeah, so a 7 will go into 14 twice, and 7 will go into 28 4 times. And I can still reduce. I can keep going. So then, how many times does 2 go into 2? 1. How many times does 2 go into 4? 2. So the ratio of girls to all students is 1/2. All right, when we solve proportions here, we've done this earlier in the year. Solve proportions, if you have an equal sign, all you need to do is cross multiply. So 2 times k and 9 times 6. So 2k is going to be equal to 54. Divide both sides by 2. 54 divided by 2 is going to be 27, so k equals 27. Going on to 9. 9 has decimals, but that's okay. So I would have 2.7x is equal to 3 times 3.6. which would be 10.8. Then I'm going to divide that by 2 to get x, or 2.7 to get x by itself. I'll get 4. All right, so here, put this in brackets because it's a fraction. I'm sorry, not a fraction, but it's we're going to need to distribute. And we're going to distribute, because we have to multiply 2 by the whole thing. So it's going to be 2 times a minus 3 is equal to 10 times 4, which is 40. So then I distribute 2a minus 6 is equal to 40, minus the 6, or plus 6 on each side. 2a is going to be equal to 46, and then 46 divided by 2 is going to should be 23. So a is equal to 23. All right, same thing for 13. We got to put that in brackets because we're going to do m times 9, which is 9m. And we're going to set that equal to 8 times this whole thing. So it's going to be 8 parentheses m plus 7. So then 9m is equal to 8m plus 56. Subtract 8m from each side, so then m will be 56. All right, going to 15. Just put parentheses around these right away if you need to. So 6 times b plus 5 is going to equal 4 times b plus 9. And we got to distribute right away, and this is a b, not a 6. So that'd be 6b plus 30 is going to equal 4b plus 36. So let's subtract 4b from each side. So I get 2b. I'm going to subtract the 30 from each side. Is going to be equal to 6. So then I'm going to divide by 2 in each side, and b is going to be equal to 3. All right, 17. Set up a proportion to solve for x. So you can peel 4 potatoes in 10 minutes. So 4 potatoes in 10 minutes. How long will it take for you to peel 14 potatoes? So we're given this part, 14 potatoes. And we put the potatoes on top here. So I'm going to put, because this is 4 potatoes right here, and so this will be 14. The potatoes will be on top. But then we don't know what the time is, and so we'll just call that x. So then if I cross multiply, it'll be 4x is equal to 140. Then I divide 140 divided by 4. Oh, I did 150. 140 divided by 4 is equal to 35. So how long will it take you? 35 minutes. And that's it. That's all we got. Any questions? Send me an email. Otherwise, have a good night.